Hey guys, what's up? It's me. It's really hard. It's not that that's what she said moment. It's really sad because my baby, my dog, my little guy, he's getting old. He's 7. He's a 7-year-old mix between a miniature and a toy poodle. He's so cute. He's going blind. He has arthritis. Arthritis. I just got him from upstairs so he could come down here and be with me. And I called for him. And when he finally came out of the room that he was in, he was limping. And it's so sad because he's so great. You can't even fathom losing him at any time. He's my best friend, and not because he's man's best friend. He seriously is my best friend. He's a better friend than a lot of my human friends, actually. He's always there for me. He always listens to me. And I know he can't talk, but you know what? His looks give me perfect answers to some of the questions that I have. And sometimes he makes sounds in response to what people say. It's really weird. I don't know. And he knows I'm talking about him because he just got close. Look what he did. He crushed. I don't know if you can see that. But look at him. He was over there, but now look at him. Can't see him probably. But he's really cute all the time, and I love it. And I can't even fathom losing him because it'll literally be the saddest day of my life. I've lost so many people in my life. It's just an unending. I don't want to say it, but I loved a lot of the people that I've lost. But they were all adults. Not all of them remembered who I was. You know what? This dog remembers who I am. He's my best friend. He's my baby. He has arthritis, and we ran out of his arthritis medicine. We gave it to him every day, daily, just about. Pretty sure only had 2 weeks of pills, anyways. That lasted really long. Because sometimes I forgot to give it to him. But, you know what? He was alright. I guess it hurts him to get up or whatever. You know how sometimes, when dogs sit down, and they sit down with their legs out like this? My dog sits with one curled up under the other like a lady does in a skirt. She's sitting down on the ground. I know, puppy. I love him so much. I hate seeing this happen to him. Because he's the greatest friend I've ever had. I'm 17. I've been on this earth for quite some time now. I have quite a lot of friends. A lot of them are really good friends, but none of them compare to Bloo. Not a single one. I don't care who you are, you do not compare to my dog. Not all my friends are there when I need them to be. Don't mean to do this, but every time I think about it, it makes me angry. One time I asked my friend to listen to my problems. I just wanted her to listen. She asked me what it was. I told her I'd rather you just come over. She was like, well, I want to know what it is so I can figure out whether or not I'm going to be wasting my time. Spending time with your friends is wasting your time, and that's literally all you're about, is spending time with the people that you care about. That is your main basis of it. It comes up at least 20 times every time we hang out. Maybe, I don't know, at least once, I guess. I don't know, I said 20. because she gives advice, and I don't always take it. But you know what? I wasn't looking for advice that day. I was just looking for someone to listen. And it was around the time that my dogs left, because we were living in an apartment, and you have to pay to have animals. And they didn't know, and they found out. So we had to move them to this house. And I was there by myself, and I didn't have Blue to talk to. I had no one to talk to. And that was a while ago, but it still really hurts because friendship is not a waste of time. The friendships you have define who you are, in a way, you know. They're a huge part of you. My friendship with my dog is the most important thing in the world to me. He's going blind, so we keep all the lights on when we take him anywhere. I have a flashlight on my keychain, or I use a flashlight on my phone when I let my dogs out. Because I downloaded it just for when I would let my dogs out at night. Cause you know how, like, in the winter or whatever, it gets darker quicker, so. I mean, there were lights in my old apartment, but, you know, they're not all up to date or not working or whatever. So I just had that flashlight on my phone for my dog. Sometimes I feel bored without electronics, you know? I'm gonna get grounded, my mom takes my iPad and all my stuff away, except for my phone. I need that. Smarts are here. But truly, honestly, all that stuff matters to me. Blue, you are the most important thing to me. And yeah, I know I have 2 dogs, but Blue's different. I love both of my dogs equally. It's just Blue is my best friend. He understands me. Makes me feel good about myself. And I love him so much. He's the greatest, nicest thing you will ever meet. And yeah, there's dogs out there that go to hospitals to make people feel better, and there's dogs who guide people around, and those dogs are noble. But you have to train those dogs to be that way. Not Blue. He was born that way. He was born sweet and kind, and adorable, and so smart. He's so smart. Zach's clever, but he is so smart. Blue is so smart. And he's my protector. You know, I don't have a dad, so I got Blue. And that's amazing. That's all I need. Protect me. It's my Bubba. It's my big Bubba. I love you. Don't ever go anywhere, okay? Because I need you. I need you more than you know. Probably know. You're so smart. You're so... I don't want to say emotional, but you're connected to my emotions. You know how I feel all the time. That's why you came over here. It's because you can read my emotions. You know that I love you. You know that I needed someone to comfort me. Zach's curled up like a ball on the couch. Blue sitting in my lap, watching over me. Because that's what he's supposed to do. You're like my little guardian angel. Blue regard, Q, Kazoo, Hamler. otherwise known as Sir Francis Drake. Don't ask. You are and forever will be my best friend. The bestest friend a girl could ever have. No one will ever compare to you. I'm sorry, friends of mine. I will watch this video in the future. I love you guys, but none of you are blue. None of you are there when I need you. When I'm feeling dead, when I'm feeling down, you know what I think about Blue? Cause she's my baby. I miss him all the time. I want taking pictures of him because she's so cute. He's so insightful. And you just look at him and you see all his wisdom. And he's getting older, you guys, and it's sad. He's going blind. If it's dark in a room, he will not move. You can see his grays. His ears are almost completely gray. Or these have streaks a little bit. I have to turn all the lights on whenever we want to because and I'm alright with that. That's why I gave him the chair right near the nightlight so we could see when he jumped up in it. Because it's not like a normal chair. It's like a clothy type chair, you know? So the light shines through it. So we can see. I love you. I know sometimes they yell at you. Because they like to follow us. And they do stuff they're not supposed to be doing. But that doesn't change the fact that I love you. And I know. I know sometimes I gotta, sometimes you gotta take pills. And you won't swallow it, so I gotta shove it down your throat, which is really, really annoying, and I hate it. I hate it as much as you do. Because that is disgusting. That's so gross. I know. Can you not have your paw there, please? Thank you. You're my baby. Yeah, you. It's like me. Yes, you. Here. He always gives me the right face at the right time. I love this dog. Please don't go anywhere. Ever. Please. I know this is saying a lot, and that makes you like that creepy dog girl on the internet. But I'd rather die before he did. I don't know if I could live a day without him. I can't. We lived a few months in our apartment before we moved here. When they were living here when we didn't have them, and I literally cried when I saw people walking their dogs on the street because I miss my dogs so much. I love them. They're my puppies. They're my buddies. They're my puppies. I love you guys. Well, I'm gonna go because it's got really weird. I don't care if I get labeled as that crazy dog girl on the internet because until you guys have that one thing that you never want to let go. May it be a baby, or your dog, or your cat, or your pet rabbit, or whatever. You feel that connection you've never felt with anything or anyone before. Then you will never understand why I love my dog so much. You will. I love you. I love you guys. Stay cool. In the comment section below, name something you can't live without. Living, not your iPad. Not like your phone. Phones aren't what it really matters. Right? I don't use my phone every day. I mean, yeah, I use my iPad every day, but sometimes not even. Like when I go to work, I was an intern, so my internship ended. So now I use my iPad like every day. But that's not important. Alright, see you guys. Love you. Yeah, so in the comment section, name like your pet or your like your baby if you're an adult, I don't know, or had a kid or whatever. So yeah. Or grandparents, whatever you want. I don't really care. As long as it's not an inanimate object. Unless you have a robot dog. And you really learn to love that robot dog. It's amazing. I want a robot dog sometimes. But just so that I could see it freak out my dogs. That's funny. I'm gonna look that up. Alright, see you guys later. Have a good day. Keep getting closer. Alright, see you guys. Bye.